Take 3.
Leading the way in self-injection solutions is just the beginning of our SHL journey. There's so much more we want to achieve.
We're on a path of growth, and we need people who are passionate about our mission and eager to take ownership.
This isn't just another job.
It's about building a future that works for everyone.
We're looking for people who thrive in ambiguity and relish the opportunity to shape the future and drive change.
We're a global team, where every voice contributes to our shared success.
We are a trusted name that dares to do things differently.
A place where you're encouraged to step outside your comfort zone and build the future.
No matter what your role is, commercial, corporate, digital, or sustainability, we will challenge you as much as you drive us forward.
We support each other and we learn and grow as a team.
We don't just collaborate together, we decide together.
One team making a positive impact every day.
Proud of what we achieve together.
We are SHL Medical. Together, we're enabling patients' independence.